Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Homes.com app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Homes.com is a real estate search platform designed to help buyers, sellers, and renters find their next home. The app provides detailed property listings with high-quality photos, virtual tours, neighborhood information, and price history. It also includes mortgage calculators, school ratings, and customizable filters so users can narrow down properties by location, budget, home size, and amenities. Additionally, the app connects directly with real estate agents for inquiries or showings. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its clean interface, comprehensive search options, and regularly updated listings. Many users like the integration of local market trends and the ability to save favorite properties for later viewing. The virtual tour feature, in particular, is appreciated by remote buyers who want a closer look before scheduling a visit. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users have reported that certain listings can be outdated or duplicated, and agent responses may vary in speed and quality. The mortgage calculator, while useful, is fairly basic compared to specialized finance tools. Also, in some areas, the inventory may be limited compared to larger real estate platforms. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Homes.com app may be worth using if you're looking for an intuitive, visually rich real estate search tool with useful neighborhood data and virtual tours. It shines in user-friendliness and search customization. However, if you need guaranteed real-time listings or advanced mortgage planning tools, you might want to use it alongside other platforms. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.